Royal Courts of Justice here in the centre of London. There's a very important legal case which affects Christians today taking place, the case of Kristie Higgs. She is a client of the Christian Legal Centre, the legal organisation which also represented me when I had a legal case. There are a number of former and present clients of the Christian Legal Centre, along with their team and Christian Concern, to maintain a demonstration before the court case, a peaceful but nevertheless firm demonstration that we believe that Christians, as a very minimum, should have the same rights in society to freedom of speech as all other members of society. It's an important legal case. If it's won, then we win freedoms for ourselves as Christians which others take for granted. If we do not win this case, if Kristie Higgs does not win her case, then we may well find ourselves in a situation where, as Christians, it's harder for us to maintain our employment and maintain a good conscience at the same time. Now, I should just add, some of you will be aware of my own legal case where I lost my job as a doctor working for the Department of Work and Pensions simply for refusing to call a hypothetical 6-foot-tall bearded man such as myself Mrs. or refer to him as she, something I couldn't do in good conscience. So I'm very glad to be part of this demonstration today. Now, we have a situation here where Kristie has her court case represented by the Christian Legal Centre. You can read up on that case at christianconcern.com. I put a link below to the short video that Kristie has made. Kristie and her family live in England, and Kristie has taken a very faithful but very gentle stand on the subject of sex education and gender education or propaganda as it's being taught in schools here in England. And I myself am outraged at the way she was treated for taking that stand. I sincerely hope that she wins her case today. I sincerely hope that the judges will listen, they'll see sense, and they'll rule in Kristie's favour. But you may judge for yourself by going to the material which I've mentioned at christianconcern.com, and also the video recommended below, which is also found on the Christian Concern YouTube page. I'll turn the camera around now so you can see the protest that I'm part of. I'm very glad to be here. So we have various clients, former clients and present clients of the Christian Legal Centre. I can see Joshua Sutcliffe there, the teacher who was struck off for refusing to use transgender pronouns, something which again, in my opinion, is outrageous. And there are others as well. But I'm very, very glad, as I said, to be part of this. You can see that the press are here, the media are here. There's a photo shoot, and there will be no doubt interviews as well. That's Andrea Williams, who is the head of the Christian Concern and the Christian Legal Centre. And as we look, these are the Royal Courts of Justice, and we hope for justice for Christians, truth and justice for Christians, which we believe that we are entitled to in a free society. A society whose foundations were actually built on Judeo-Christian values, because Christians laid down their lives for the truth. So I'm going to leave it there just now. I'm going to join the protest. I've got my own placard, which is the same as the one that Joshua is holding there. I lost my job for saying children shouldn't try to change sex. No, it's not the same. Mine is I lost my job for refusing to use transgender pronouns or something to that equivalent. So I'm leaving this now. Thank you for listening. Please pray for this. This is going on for 2 days, Wednesday and Thursday here in London. You'll hear of the outcome. It's extraordinarily important for us all. Please pray for this court case.